Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Julie will be sharing 3 minimalist nail art designs for the summer. If you're short on time or you just love wearing simple nail designs, this guide is perfect for you.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Before we start the designs, remember to prep your nails with a layer of base coat to protect them and help your mani last as long as possible. For the first look, I'll be doing a minimal watermelon mani, and to start, apply a watermelon red shade to 2 of your nails and a coolish toned green shade to the remaining nails. Once your color coat is dry, you can add some details. Using a light green polish and a detail brush, create wavy lines going down the green nails to look like watermelon rind. And on the red nails, I just used a dotting tool to make a black polka dot pattern. Finish with top coat, and that's it. Super simple, easy, and adorable. Next, we have a fun way to use multiple colorful polishes in one mani. Begin with an opaque coat or 2 of white polish and let it dry. Now grab your favorite summer colors and paint the corners of each nail with a different polish. Don't worry about getting polish on the skin, you can always remove it later. Once the first layer is dry, go back over it a second time to sharpen up the edge. You can use the edge of the brush to get a straighter line and make the corner more even. I finished with matte top coat to make the colors pop more, and here is the finished look. And for our last design, we're getting tropical. For this look, paint your middle and ring nail with white and black polish. For the other nails, pick a bright summery color that you really love. This design literally works with any accent color. I'm loving neon shades right now, so I'll be using this neon coral color. To make a palm tree, I'm using a thin striping brush and black acrylic paint. Start by making a slightly curved line for the trunk of the palm tree, then make 4 curved lines coming out from the top. Next, add small little dashes to the underside of each branch. And on the black nail, I did the same thing, but with white paint. I finished the design with some matte top coat, and I popped a few black triangle studs onto the neon nails to tie the design together. And there you have 3 minimal nail designs that are perfect for summer. Don't forget to share a picture with us if you give any of these looks a try. And if you'd like to watch more CutePolish videos, you can click on these boxes here. And click on the circle to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here.